Spent time behind bars may soon find it easier to get a job.
The new law will allow low-level offenders who stay out of trouble to have their records expunged. Amanda Van Allen has more.
I was in and out of prisons for many years. Drugs, forgeries, all kinds of different types of crimes. In and out.
For 27 years, Randy Simmons says it was a challenge for him to stay out of prison.
I've been in foster homes as a kid, abused every kind of way known to man, and came up through the system.
After he got out for good, he says it was impossible to find a job because of his criminal record. And eventually, he started the organization We Agape You, which in addition to community outreach, also helps people with criminal records find employment. And now organizations like We Agape You will be getting some help. Governor Wolf has signed a bill that will allow some people with misdemeanors to have their records expunged if they don't get arrested for 7 to 10 years.
It's a big problem in Pennsylvania because it destroys lives. By giving someone a blemish on their record, it keeps them from getting a job. Might even keep them from getting into a college or a school.
The new law will apply to Pennsylvanians with nonviolent third and second degree misdemeanors, something Simmons says will change lives for many of his clients.
Because of your record, you won't be discriminated against anymore. That is amazing. You know what I mean? That's awesome. That's huge.
Amanda Van Allen, 69 News.